So things are starting to come together now. We have a clear sense of what we want our audience to do. We've narrowed down to our 5 top messages. You have an interesting story for each message. If you're going to use PowerPoint, you've figured out a slide for each one. That's great. That's fantastic. Now I'm going to give you the piece of advice that's the single most important piece of advice in this entire course. It's the single most important thing to help you go from a bad beginner to someone who no one else will even know you're a beginner. Someone will think you're a good, if not a great speaker, if you do this one thing. Now, this is also the least popular part of the course and the least popular thing to do. What I'm going to ask you to do is pull out your cell phone and practice your presentation on video. Oh, it gets worse, folks. Then I want you to look at it. It gets worse still. I then want you to do it again and try to do more of the good stuff and less of anything you don't like. Here's the real magic. There's no particular magic in practicing on video. There's no magic in practicing on video and watching it. The magic comes from doing it again and again and again until you get to one certain point. And that point is you can look at the video and you actually like what you see. You like the style and the substance of how you're coming across. If you can look at a video, whether it's on a big TV, your laptop, or your cell phone, and say, wow, if I can do half as well as he does, if I can do half as well as she does, I'm going to be the best presenter in my field, my company, my organization, my industry. My presentation skills are going to be seen as excellent. If you get to that point, guess what? It becomes virtually impossible to be nervous or uncomfortable. So that's your assignment now, is practice your presentation on video as many times as it takes until you like what you see. Because the ultimate judge, the ultimate teacher with the grading pen isn't me. It's you.